you're watching Veushly TV and I'm your host Violence Mugoi. And on sad news, emotional client most popular Mombasa Oppo shop assistant Jane Nduku. Customers and colleagues are mourning the sudden death of Jane Nduku, a shop assistant at an Oppo phone shop in Mombasa, who reportedly passed away in her sleep on the night of Wednesday, March 11. According to a statement shared on the shop's social media pages, Nduku did not wake up on Thursday morning, leaving many of her customers and co-workers in shock. One of her loyal clients, Fifi Machocho, has since shared an emotional video expressing her disbelief after learning about the tragic news. Machocho said she had traveled from Taita to Mombasa with plans to buy a new phone from Nduku. She explained that she had previously purchased the phone she currently uses through Nduku's because of her excellent customer service. According to Machocho, the two spoke on Saturday, March 1st, when she informed Nduku that she would soon visit the shop to upgrade a new device. Machocho said Nduku was excited about the plan and even recommended several phone models for her to consider. The two had already settled on the phone she intended to purchase.
So, nimefika hapa, alafu unaona huyo dem, unaona kuna dem fulani mwenye aliuzia hii simu yangu. So unaona dem, tuliongea around tarehe 1 March, tukaongea, nikamwambia nakuja kununua simu, I hope nitakupata. Hata akaniambia kila kitu, akanirecommend ya simu and all that. Nimefika hapa, imagine happy alipass, and she was some of my friends. Alikuwa gabishti yangu. Nimefika hapa nimeambiwa eti amepass. Maskini, na tulikuwa tushadecide, acha tulikuwa tushadecide simu and everything. Nimefika hapa nimeambiwa eti amepass. Amepass Wednesday. Na nilimwambia nakuja Saturday, I hope nitakupata, acha nikupee tip mama. Nilimwambia hivyo. She's the one who sold me this phone, like alirudi beshte yangu.
However, upon arriving at the shop, Machocho was shocked to be informed that Nduku had passed away.
Alafu nafika hapa na ameja amepass. Nimesikia vibaya. Can't imagine. Even if it's unexpected call.
She also revealed that earlier that day, she had seen a status video about Nduku's captioned, "Rest in peace," but did not open it at the time. She now regrets not checking it sooner.
Alafu, to make matters worse, asubuhi niliona post yake. Alafu, nilivona hiyo post. I think mimi ndo sikuwa na caption nzuri. So, saido ina ring. Kumbe caption, nimeona mtu amepost video yake hapo, alafu ameandika rest in peace. So, mimi sikushikanisha. Sasa hii ndo na make sense. Yaani mimi hata hilo ina make sense. Sasa hii ndo nakumbuka hiyo caption ndo ina load. Asubuhi nikikuja Mombasa, imagine. Hey, my God. May she rest in peace. Yaani unaweza tu ongea na mtu mpange kitu alafu ukikuja hayuko. Mimi nimesikia vibaya.
Meanwhile, colleagues and friends continue to pay tribute to Nduku, remembering her as friendly and dedicated worker who built strong relationships with customers. The Oppo team in Mombasa has announced that a candle lighting vigil in her honor will be held today on March 16th at Makadara grounds, where friends, colleagues and members of the public are expected to gather to celebrate her life. May her soul rest in peace. And for more updates, continue following up here at Veushly TV, and I've been your host Violence Mugoi. Till next time, bye.